If you've ever taken a photo and noticed those dark corners caused by lens vignetting, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to remove vignette in GIMP quickly and easily. This is a simple fix that can help brighten the edges of your image and make the whole photo look more balanced and professional. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to edit. Once your photo is open, take a moment to look at the corners and see how much darkening is present. This method works best for natural lens vignette, where the corners of the image are darker because of the camera lens, rather than because of a creative effect. Now go up to the top menu bar and click Filters, then move to Distorts and select Lens Distortion. This is the tool we'll use to correct the dark corners. When the Lens Distortion window appears, look for the Brighten slider. This is the key setting for lifting the shadows in the edge areas of your image. Drag the Brighten slider to the right to increase the value. As you do that, you should begin to notice the corners becoming lighter. Move it gradually so you don't overcorrect the image too much. The goal is to even out the brightness across the frame while still keeping the photo looking natural. If the slider doesn't seem to respond right away, there's a useful little trick you can try. Subtly lower the edge parameter by a small amount. This can help force the filter to recalculate how it applies the correction across the borders of the image. Once you make that adjustment, go back and fine-tune the Brighten setting again until the vignette is reduced. Take your time here and watch the preview carefully. You want the corners to blend smoothly with the rest of the image, without creating strange highlights or making the photo look washed out. If needed, make small adjustments back and forth until the lighting looks even across the entire frame. When you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the changes. GIMP will process the filter, and your image should now have much less darkening in the corners. You can compare it with the original if you want to see just how much difference this one adjustment can make. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove vignette in GIMP using the Lens Distortion filter and the Brighten slider. This is a great technique to know whenever you want to clean up a photo and make it look more balanced. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next GIMP editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.